So the sneaker world is going ballistic. I'm talking about ballistic with the Jordan 4 undefeated crash. Well, guys, we're going to get into it immediately. And here's the big reality of this. Guys, this should be a lesson. This should be a lesson. Give me 1 second, because this man right here deserves. That man right there, you see that FedEx? That's the man who brings me everything. That's the dude right there. Love the dude. Great guy. Knows his shit too. We're talking about colognes and shit, you know what I'm saying? Little thing for the future. Anyways, so guys, the reality of all of this is it should be a lesson on how not to fall in the hype. Don't fall for the hype. Guys, at the end of the day, even I fell for the hype. But you got to remember something, guys. Nike, Jordan, these people are so good at their craft that it's just scary. It's scary how good these people are in manipulating the industry. Of course, guys, the resellers are gonna hype it up even more than what it has to, for the simple fact that they want to make their money. They want to sell. It is what it is. It's a different conversation for a different day when it comes to the actual resellers. It's a whole different conversation, but I'm not going to get into that right now, guys, because at the end of the day, you know already that the reseller is going to pump something up and it's going to try to, so you could buy from over here or buy over there, or do your thing. Well, guys, the big reality of this is the fact of the way they constructed this crazy hype with this shoe. And so there's a lot of people that have asked me, bro, Primo, are you mad about what you paid? Guys, I'm transparent. I paid almost $600. I paid $589 to be exact. And I said no, because that's the beauty of it. Guys, I'm not going to get more mad over getting a pair of Undefeateds and paying almost $600 when I paid almost $500 for the Cortez Air Max 95s that came out. The black, the honeys. Guys, I got hammered for that. What am I going to do, bro? That's it. It is what it is. That's life, bro. That's the world that we are involved. That's the world of sneakers. And I'm not here to blame resellers, guys. That's another reason. Like I said, I don't care about bringing up resellers anymore. Excuse me about that, guys. It decided to overheat and took a crap on me when it came to the recording. I just said, you know what, I'm not even gonna bother with it. And I actually got to fix the camera now, but it is what it is, guys. Anyways, back to the point. Like I was saying, I am not going to be blaming the reseller for this. The reseller is supposed to do what it's supposed to do and squeeze the juice, guys. I've always said, and I'm always gonna keep saying it. It's supply and demand, dude. Supply and demand. And at the end of the day, you could only nitpick certain things, man. Let's be realistic. You want a shoe right now that's sold out everywhere, nobody has it. Who are you gonna go to? So we gotta tone it down a little bit on the reseller thing, guys. The reality of this is hype beast and marketing. If you're gonna go to a core of truly blaming anything or anybody on this, everything that happens with the sneaker game, and it's not just a sneaker game, guys. It happens with everything else that has a resale value. Let's be realistic, guys. Everything is resold nowadays. Who are you really supposed to blame? If there was no hype beast or brands, when I create a hype behind a brand, how are you ever going to have to pay resale? Think about that. It wouldn't happen. What does the reseller have to do? It's just taking advantage of it. Think about that real good. Whose true fault is this? The reseller? The reseller, of course, is going to hype it up. I said this already, to make money. It's just taking advantage of it. But now, who's the one that truly creates this hype? Who are the ones that really blow this up out of proportion? You and me? It is what it is. The same way you want the shoe, I want the shoe, and everybody else wants the shoe. And the hype beasts that don't even know what the hell the shoe is. They were not around with the shoe. They just don't even care, guys. They don't even care about it. They just want it because they hear everybody else. Yeah, bro, I want it. Like, whatever. I'm not even going to get into that. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to get into it because I don't want to be offensive. You know what I'm saying? But let's be realistic, guys. Come on. It is what it is, dude. These people know how to create a hype, man, that destroy your nutsack. I'm going to be honest with you. They just know. So if you're going to be bothered by every little thing that has to do with resale value and, oh, man, this is not enough, and they have lied to us, and they have, bro, welcome to America. The land of capitalism, bro. You're not going to do anything about it. Supply and demand. It's the way the world works. If you guys really do research on how all this happens, that it's not even close to just sneakers, guys. There's a lot of things, the Louis V things, the Louis V bags, the exclusivities, the collaborations, watches, everything. Now, pay attention to something, and I'm gonna bring a video talking about this. Have you noticed that the biggest people that has to do with the sneaker world have blown away the collectors and the true reviewers? And they're all resellers. Go research other items. They're the biggest. That's the question that people have to ask themselves. Why is it that so many people love that a lot more than the true collection? Than people that truly bring an honest review? Why are people so obsessed with looking at buying and selling and all this? There's no talent involved in it. Just put a camera and watch. You understand? There's no entertainment. The entertainment is watching other people sell and the crap that they speak. And then the advice that these people give when they're selling you the actual item, and they're blowing everybody away. So I can understand why certain people have a hatred to these resellers. I'm the other way around. I say, damn, good for you, man. You got that hustle going on and you're making that cheddar. Guys, you got to learn how to differentiate facts from nonsense. And especially when it comes to being a hater. Don't hate, regulate. It is what it is, guys. And remember, it don't matter how much you like it or not. Reselling is always going to be around. One power gets destroyed, and the one that took over will be the abuser tomorrow. It's just the way life works, guys. It never going to change. Will never change. Unfortunately. Till next time, everybody. I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. And if you do think it will change one day, remember, one day when you're in power, you'll be the one that somebody will say you're abusing them. Peace! El cohete.